Financial than ever. Revive your lapse policies by December 31st, 2025 and get 100% late fee waived up to 25,000 PKR. Rescue your family's financial wellness and easy revival confidential e-pay option and visit your zonal office by to update our policies. Today I will discuss about state life company insurance companies. Manage your policies. Keep a track of your policies whenever you are signed in and access or make a change to your policies. Arrange a policy payout and more in the following sessions. Also, produces for mutuality claims. It is matter of great pleasure that your policies has a measure. It is a time to fulfill the goals that you had set years back for collecting mutuality benefits. Please send a written request along with following documents to your servicing Stone Life Zone office. Original policy document, copy of national identity card, maturity discharge voucher duly verified by your bank. If your signatures has changed over the year, please send the three specimen signatures of old and new style. Immediately on receipt of above document, we will process the case further for payment of amount due if any against mutuality claim under above policy. Produces for death claim. State life insurance policy provide wide range benefits in case of death of the personnel covered against them. If you loved one covered under any of state life has expired, you should log a death claim with us. All you have to do is to send a return intimation to the zonal office of the state life insurance company. We will offer evaluating the case, contact you others required document for processing of death claim. Proceed for other claim. Survival benefits claim. If you anti-captionated involvement insurance policy has completed first, third, or second, third term of the policy, you can withdraw a sum equal to 25% of the sum insured of any policy. For withdrawal of several benefits, please send a return request along with following documents to your surviving state life zonal office. Original policy document, copy of a national identity card, survival benefits discharge voucher duly verified by the office by the bank. If your signature has changed over years, please send your three specimen signatures of old and new style. Immediately on receipt of above document, we will process the case for payment of amount due, if any, against survival benefits claim under above policy. Injury claim. If your state life insurance policy contained on accidental death and immediately benefits specifically cover, and you sustained an injury as specified in the contract, if you can apply to us for any injury claim within 20 days of sustaining the accident. For lodging your injury claims, please send a written information of the accident monitoring the data of accident to your servicing state life zonal office. After receipt of information from you, the case we will further looked into, and our zonal office will contact you accordingly. Procedure of loan against insurance company policy. Insurance policy. Your state life insurance policy provided a valuable facility of loan to meet your immediate financial exigencies. You can avail a loan up to 80% of any of no surrender value of your policy. On policy loans, we charge a markup at the rate of 12.5 per annum componented. If you are interested to avail a loan under your policy, please fill out the following statement. The form of will you. Okay.